Governor Healey is defending her decision to nominate an ex-girlfriend to the state's highest court, but critics say the relationship, even if it's over, makes this the wrong choice.
There is no one more qualified or more well-prepared.
Governor Maura Healey announces she's nominating Justice Gabrielle Wolohojian to a position on the state's highest court. Wolohojian has been an appeals court justice since 2008, sitting on more than 2,700 cases. Any negative reaction comes not from Justice Wolohojian's credentials, but her connections. She and Governor Healey were in an 8+ year romantic relationship in the past.
Was there no one else more qualified?
No, and not according to the committee. Of course, I had a personal relationship with Judge Wolohojian for many years, so I happen to also know something about her character and integrity and the kind of person she is. I don't want the fact that she had a personal relationship with me to deprive the Commonwealth of a person who's most qualified for the position. The reaction has been one of overwhelming support.
Massachusetts Republicans slammed the nomination, saying in a statement it's highly inappropriate, and the nomination clearly demonstrates a lack of accountability inherent in one-party rule, urging the governor to withdraw it. But Governor Healey sticks by her choice, which will now move on to a panel of 8 elected officials for confirmation.
Judge, can we ask you about the optics? Do you have concerns about the optics?
Appeals Court Judge Gabrielle Wolohojian not saying much to our cameras as she walks out of her nomination hearing. Governor Healey pushing for her former romantic partner to serve on the Supreme Judicial Court.
I'm confident in Judge Wolohojian's abilities, her qualifications.
It doesn't seem like qualifications are a question, but it's the ethics of appointing her.
There are no ethical issues with this, and that's been spoken to and addressed time and again.
The Mass GOP calls the governor's nomination of her ex highly inappropriate, adding it raises questions about recusals and ethics.
It's the perception of a conflict of interest. She'll be serving on a court where there'll be issues at concern of the governor and the executive branch.
Recusal is something that I take very seriously.
The judge says she considers recusals on a case-by-case basis.
I have absolutely no interest and never have in sitting on cases I shouldn't sit on or not sitting in cases I should sit on.
The judge didn't face many tough questions, only one counselor raising concerns about how this looks.
For me, the optics they're not irrelevant. They matter, they exist, it's an issue.
The judge says she's just following the process.
I understand your concern about the optics, but sitting from my chair, I have done everything like every other candidate.
Yes.
Taviani?
Yes.
Iannella?
Yes. 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 7 members voting, 6 in the affirmative, 1 in the negative. The matter carries.
With that, the governor's former romantic partner and controversial nominee, Judge Gabrielle Wolohojian, winning a spot on the Supreme Judicial Court. The governor's counsel, who confirms judges, blasted media attention and defended their yes votes. One even compared this to an attack on reproductive rights.
I don't want the government concerning itself with a woman's past, emphasis on past relationship choices. And I'd ask, when do we stop policing a woman's body?
It's an issue of ethics here.
Republicans say the governor's past relationship with the judge raises questions.
That personal relationship is relevant. It's relevant when the judge may take up cases that involve the governor.
Last week, counselors interviewed Wolohojian, but they let her give vague answers about the kinds of cases she'd recuse herself from.
I continue to have some concerns around the recusal situation.
Only one counselor voted no.
You couldn't have a more insider nominee.
Governor Healey says, I'm grateful to the governor's council for thoroughly vetting and confirming Justice Wolohojian and congratulate her on this well-deserved accomplishment. She will be an excellent SJC justice. Now, Judge Wolohojian is 63 years old. There's an age limit for the SJC, and that is the age of 70 when justices can no longer serve on that court. We did reach out to the SJC, but we're told they have no comment.